Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with S&P 500, and we'll be doing analysis on a 4-hour time frame. So I'll show you something very important. Pay close attention to these two candles. This candle right here, this one, and this candle. Same. These are called awareness Marubozu candle, which generally appears right before the market sell-off. Means few days down the line, there is a big sell-off. Means shakeout is coming in the market. How do we know that? Let's try to figure out where these candles are coming from. And market being a sideline, showing the exhaustion level of this entire bull run. First sign, exhaustion. Second sign, another exhaustion on the sideline. Okay. Let's go back and try to figure out. So come back right in this area. You see that? So the market had a bull run right here, this bull run. Here we see the exhaustion level right here, this particular area. Right here. So this was your last exhaustion area. This area, sideline, no breakout, no downside turn. Right in this area, candle number 1 right here, candle number 2 right here. These two candles. Pay close attention. Market was sideline, bull run, exhaustion level right at the top. Awareness Marubozu, another push, awareness Marubozu, big dump. Okay, this is what's coming right here. What do you see here? Big run, exhaustion, another retest. This means these candle. What's going on behind? These candle means the seller are testing the market. They're testing that can we tank the market at this level, but they are failing again. But they will not fail multiple times, and sooner or later they will take over. So this is what we are looking at. First price target will be 666.39, right? Tank up approximately about, which will give us 3%, I think, from here. Yes. So that gives about 3.5% sell-off, which will also be the region of, what do you see here? Supply, demand, growing demand, supply, another further growing demand means another supply before the another growing demand comes. Okay, so there will be a supply right in this area. So on the RSI itself, if you look at from particularly this candle to this candle, we have a bearish divergence, which is on the RSI, means market is telling you, is hinting you right now that yes, moving forward 5 to 7 candle down the line, the sell-off is happening. Okay, and that's why these two awareness Marubozu candle comes here. On the other hand, to understand where we are sitting on the wicks, look at this one. Continuous sell-off. We have my algo pointing to the bottom right in this area. A, B, and C. Wave C has completed. We are sitting on the bottom of the on the wicks. So the wicks will bounce from here. Volatility is coming back, and that's why we have the long position on the wicks and we have a short position on the S&P 500. So it's perfectly matched. What's going on the wicks? So right here in this area, what we are looking at, this is your highest ultra high volume candle, right, closing right in this area, which is 21.96. By default, this is falling to your 0.618 of the Fibonacci retracement, golden zone maximum. So this is your VIX is going, and that's where the VRVP, the highest volume area, is right here. So this is where the VIX is heading, 21.06, and it's that certain. There is no power in this world which can stop that to come. Okay, it is coming from here to here. There is no exception. Nothing can stop it, this price action. Once the price reach here, we will have the lower high of the VIX right in this area, new trend line, and then from this point the VIX will retrace back and push the market one more time higher. Okay, but this is the point which is coming now. Okay, moving forward to Amazon, what we are looking at in this price action, we have the trade. We sold the covered call, we booked the profit yesterday, approximately $500, and we have the trade going on. When we have the Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high, what is the golden zone? 2 to 4.15. This is where in this golden zone, you see the spread candle right here, this particularly spread candle. and the green candle closing upside, but we will take this as an order block. I will do Oracle, yeah. Okay, so this is the spread candle we will take. The entirely liquidity is right here below this candle. So there is a possibility once we have this pattern, the sell-off, bounce, another sell-off. When you see this small H, okay, those in the group, they are aware about that. So every time you see the small H, there is a 99% chance the market will go for liquidity grab right here. This was exactly the same pattern on Meta, if you remember. So probably it will tank right in this area and then shoot up. So one more drop on Amazon will happen and then it will bounce like this. So this is the current candle is heading into liquidity grab. You'll have a long wick. And where is the stop loss of the people? Most likely this is where the stop loss is 224. So we will have a long wick below 224 and then shoot up into 234.35 area right here, Fibonacci retracement, or even take equal high, which is 238 area. So right here you will see a little bit sell off on Amazon. RSI is bearish. We have a death cross going on, means this sell off will continue. Right, maximum around 220 area, max 220 area, and then the bounce will happen. Moving forward to Tesla, nothing is more bearish than this one on the entire stock market. Okay, so what are the two outcomes here? One, we mitigate this order block right in this area, which is 433, and go for the double top and then sell off. Okay, why double top? Because this is the pattern we saw last time before the sell off. One top, two top, three top. So multiple top and sell off. So when the market sell off from the multiple top, there is a possibility the stock will repeat this pattern, this area. It's very much, this is the kind of scenario we are looking at right here. Okay, there is a possibility. It should not sell off right away. Why it should not sell off? Because we have this fair value gap mitigation and then the price will bounce again. Okay, so it's not a one-way stream like this. It has a lot of downside. It will go to 300 and under, which is 299.93, precise to the penny. That's where the price will go and nothing can stop that. But that does not mean that it's a one-way street, that it starts selling and selling and selling and keep going to 299. This is not how market trade. Market trades in wave like this one. Sell off, again mitigate this sell side order block, mark the lower high, then sell off further low, then this is how market sell off, which is internal demand, and form a trend line at the top of like this one. You see that, the trend line, and every time getting a rejection from the trend line and keep going lower and lower. So what we are looking at here on the Tesla, 300 and under, that's where we'll be buying, and we'll be buying like there is no tomorrow at 299. Okay, you can use the margin, borrow the money, do what the hell you want to do under $300. This stock will change your life once it goes to 299. I generally don't use those words for people like borrow the money and all this, but when the price is right, then you should not be hesitant. What will happen when the price right now trading at 436? It was trading at 459. What will happen? Just think of when the price will go to 300. 99% people will panic. They will be hitting the margin call. They will hit the panic sell. They will hit the liquidation, and there will be a bloodbath on the all across Tesla. There will be negative news. There will be downgrade. Suddenly, a lot of the seasonal frog will be out from the water, and they'll be saying, "Oh, now the Tesla is dead. Now this shit is going to happen. Tesla is overvalued." So on. Every kind of negative story will be there when the price will hit 290. And that will be the identification of the wave one. Wave one, the price recovery always start when there is a negative news. And sell-off always happen when everything is positive about the stock. And if you don't remember, go back and check NVDA or Palantir or everything. Every time the stock sell-off will happen in positive news, and the negative news, the stock will start recovery. That shows the people has reached to the level where they think, oh, it's a crap company. And suddenly there is a bounce. And if you remember the last bounce from 220, when this, whatever the Democratic vice president candidate, I don't remember his name, he was shitting on the floor that, oh, Tesla 220 and down, and right from there next day, everything bounced like hell. Okay, and we went to 100% upside from there. So this is how market works. When everyone in panic, That's where you buy. 299, almost 99% people on Tesla will panic, and that's where you'll be going all in without exception. Moving forward to BBI, we are looking for the retracement a little bit back. We only trade this stock with the short put. We do not buy the share. We are waiting for the mitigation of 6.10 area, and then we'll be taking another position for the upside. There is a lot of upside. This stock will go eventually 400, 500% upside. Okay. Very similar stock when the Shopify was, SoFi was trading at 647, and I told clearly it's a $24 stock. Another $24 stock is Rivian. Another $24 stock is BBAI. This stock belonged to north of $20, and sooner or later it will go to 20. Okay. So every time it drop, every time the retracement happen, you short the put at the money put right in this area. So 610, short the $6 put for June 2026. Till then, just wait for another 1 or 2 days. The market will go through a little bit of pullback. Okay, moving forward to BMNR. Inverted A, B, and C. A, B, C has been completed. So we are waiting for a little bit of retracement in this area. Most likely we'll see 32 area again before we bounce like in the wave 5, which will A, B, C, and C. This will become the wave 4, where it will retrace exactly. If you want to know, this is the maximum retracement we are looking at right in this area, 30.60 area. That's the max downside on this one. Once the price pull back in this area, it will bounce hard once again like this. Okay, we do have a covered call sold on this for 19th of December, and those all call will expire worthless, and we'll get the premium for free. So this is the maximum retracement we are looking at right in this area, around 30.60 area. This is the max. Okay, generally it should bounce around 32. So depending on which pivots it will take, 32 is the 0.038 of the Fibonacci retracement, and this is the golden zone. So there is no guarantee that it will only go to 30.60, or it could bounce from this pivot and this pivot, either here, right in this area, 32 to 30.60, and there will be a bounce once again. Moving forward to bull, right when the stock was trading at 758, I have been saying we are going for $10. The first, we need to reclaim $10. We are in wave 3. Perfect setup for the bull trend. The bull trend will continue on this one. We have the break of structure. We have change of character right in this area. We have the equal high, break of structure. We have the change of character right here. Internal demand multiple, equal low right in this area in the fair value gap. When the price was here, I clearly mentioned we will retest again this fair value gap. And look at this one, two equal low and the bounce. Now we are in wave 3. Wave 3 will continue from here. Right at the $10, we'll see the pullback exactly right at $10, because that's where the gamma flip wall. So that gamma flip wall will work as a resistance. So price will pull back and then bounce and break $10. Once we break $10, straight away we will go to 12.50. That's where the gap up will happen. This run, this recovery, which is going on right now, will end at 12.50. So any covered call you are selling, which we are already selling, and after these expiry on 19 December, we'll be repeating those calls. Make sure you keep selling 12.50 call and collect premium so that your average is as low as possible. We've been buying the stock $16 and my average is 11.91, and I'm already selling multiple times the calls. We have closed hell of profit and we'll continue doing that until the mid of February. Okay, that's where we are looking to cut this position. Moving forward to coin, this is the stock that you need to have a sharp eye, eagle eye on this one. If the market sell off, what we are looking at SNPY pullback. So everything will tank. Domino effect. Once the SNPY will sell off, almost likely everything will sell off. So once everything will sell off, this is the stock you'll be paying attention of, equal low of this point right in this area. You see that? Previous week low, which is at 240 area. If the price sell off along with the market and comes to 48, that's the area what you'll be doing. Buy at the money call for 30 days expiry, right at the liquidity sweep, like this kind of candle. When you have a long wick, right at the bottom, buy at the money call for 30 days expiry and just hold for 10 to 15 days. And on next day, most likely very next day, the call will be in profit. The very next day, if you wait for the drop here. Okay, this is the stock you'll be paying attention. The first price target 324, and then overall this stock is heading into 525 area. But first we'll go to 324 and retrace this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 324 equilibrium right in this area. You see that's equal high of this one. This is where this bull run, this recovery will end, and then we'll start the downward back into 300 area, and so from 324 back to 300 and then bounce further up. Moving forward to Circle, very similar setup. We are in wave 4 going on. This stock has a lot of upside, but it's a long-term investment. This is not the stock that's going to make you rich tomorrow, but this is the stock that you always want to have in your portfolio. Okay, very the stock which you can rely on in a long-term investment, like continue. Every pullback is a buy. Every time the stock pullback, you buy. Every bounce, like after 10-15 days, you close. Like you bought it here, you close here, you buy here again, then you close here. So like continuous trading on Circle. You never it's not the stock that, oh, it's overvalued, let me get out and I'm not taking any trade. Sometimes, I do mention certain stock, do not trade this. Okay, we have not traded NVDA. We have not traded Palantir. We have not traded Hood. So this is not the stock that you should stay clear. You should always have a position on this one. Okay, moving forward to HIMS, 40 area. This is what we were looking at. The next step is 46 area. We are waiting for that price to reclaim. Right in this area, the market will gap up right here, which is from 40 to 44 area. This is the gap up you will see. And opposite of this particular candle, you see right from here where the gap up is coming from, right in this area. So once we retest this and break out, there will be a gap up here and then continue upward. Once the price take down this gap, the price will stay in this area from 44, 46 area. Continue selling the call on this one, $50 for 16th of February. Moving forward to HIVE, this is the stock which is trading almost more than 50% down now. This is the stock where you can play the Bitcoin recovery, be it HIVE or Mara. These are the stocks which are trading 50 to 60% down. These stocks will make a lot of money. They will not stay here. I will again mention they will not stay here. Nothing can hold them hostage here for long. Okay, 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, they will start bouncing and they will go back. The MSTR, the Mara will go back in an area of 19 to 20 area, and HIVE right in this area. HIVE will go to $5 to $6, like right in the previous month high, or this line. This is where the price is coming from, right here, which is about $6. So both stock has a roughly 100% upside, Mara and HIVE, but these are pure Bitcoin play. If you open a position, keep watching Bitcoin. Do not keep asking, oh, when will it go up? Why the HIVE is not going up? Why the Mara is not going up? Because when the stock start going up, then when it's down, people panic. When it's going up, then they start chasing. They will not buy HIVE here at 308, but they will be chasing at 440. Oh, I missed it. I was busy at work. I was in a meeting. I was doing this. So buy now and hold and hold. Do not expect it to bounce tomorrow, but buy and hold and wait for the Bitcoin to recovery. Melly, this is what we were waiting for, the retracement. It was clearly mentioned we'll have a retracement under $2,000. That's where I'm looking to buy the call spread on this one. So a little bit more downside from here. That's where the liquidity is sitting under this candle right here. Previous week low. This area will be revisiting because the Monday high was not as high as the Friday. So that means once we have a Monday high lower than the Friday high, that means the previous week low point will be visited, and that's very similar situation we are looking on S&P 500. You see that this was the Friday high, this was the Friday high. Monday high was not as high as Friday high. Okay, so when we have a divergence on the following week, then generally we end up revisiting the previous week low. This is what we are looking at, and 671 minimum. Okay, this week. So that's the kind of analysis goes with the Monday high not being as high as the Friday high. Okay. Moving forward to Neon. So we have traded 4 different trade. We have 1 trade going on, which is 621 short put for $6. 3 trade, 3 times. We have closed the share in profit. We have closed the long call in profit 2 times, and we are waiting for another entry right at the mitigation of this order block, which is 491 area right here. So the price will drop 491. Again, we will repeat the same call, $5 call in the money call for 15th of May. And again, bounce from here will be booking the profit. Minimum the stock is going to right in this area. Right here, 651, first price target 651, second price target 702, third price target $8.07, and that's it, job done. But we'll be booking profit at the first price target, which is 658. Most of the trade will be out. Moving forward to NVIDIA. NVIDIA has some good news today, but most likely sell the news concept going on right now. Okay, I do not have any trade on NVIDIA. I had one trade which settled for a few $100 profit on Friday because that was the call spread. Okay, so right here we have the what do you call the high point, lower high, another lower high, another lower high. Because this is the fourth lower high, that means there is a possibility of breakout upside. Last 3 days, I clearly mentioned we are looking for 190.93, and yesterday the price hit precisely 190.99, as precise as 6 cents, right starting from here. Right at 170, I clearly mentioned we'll go to 190.93. And yesterday we hit 190.99. So the price target has been hit on NVIDIA. Now we are waiting for the retracement. I'm not a buyer at this price at all. I will only buy around 164. Eventually, you will see this stock going to $140. Okay, this bull run will end, and that will bring the market down. Okay, why will go down? Look at this one. What's going on here? What do you see from here? If you take the channel, a lot of people, when the stock is green, suddenly they have a bullish outlook. Oh, now this time is different. Nothing is different in stock market. There is only one thing certain. Every time retail investor will lose the money, institution will make the money. Institution control the price, and they will bring the price down where they want to buy. This is the only certain thing in the market. There is nothing else. It's never a different story. Every single week, every single month, every single year, retail investor lose the money, institution make the money, institution drive the price. The day you understand this concept, put it in your brain, you're trading 99% chance you are a successful trader when you understand this concept. So what will happen? Everyone is bullish right here, thinking we have a TMA bullish cross, we have a trend line broken. What will happen? If the institution need to take down retail investors, what will happen? They will break the trend line right in this area. Okay, create the bull trap right here, because they see this trend line. Why people think that only I see this trend line, or you are the only one to see this trend line? Everybody in the world can see this trend line of the lower high, and those who are running $1 billion hedge fund, they are not idiots. So what they are looking at, oh, as soon as we have a trend line breakout, suddenly the buyer will jump in, and that's where the liquidity is sitting. Once the buyer jump in, means the seller have the opportunity to sell. Right? So means there is enough buy side liquidity right here. And that's when they start handing over the stock at the top. And right from here, they tank it back into 164 area, which marks the another lower low right here. You see that? This is where the price will go. And that's how the market works. Because they are, when you are looking at the volume will come after the trend line breakout, people will buy after the trend line breakout. Same thing, institution is also looking that, okay, the idiots will come here at 191, 192, 195 area, and we will hand over them the bag right in this area. They also know this game. So just drawing few line on the chart and someone thinks that he's a genius, be my guest. I've done it for 19 years. Okay, moving forward to Oscar. What we are looking at, we are looking for the rejection. This is when you see this consolidation along with the trend line. Okay, generally this is the kind of price action. What happens? You will have a sharp decline once and then breakout upside. Okay, so this is the kind of generally the pattern it follow. One drop and bounce, something like this. Okay, so this is the kind of price action you need to be looking at on Oscar. What we are waiting for around 1494. We exactly captured this entire run in the profit, and since then we have been out. So what we are looking at, where is the volume? Let's figure out where was the institution side volume, and there is a fair value gap right here. Okay, so this entire run we need to figure out where the maximum number of share traded this entire run. Right here, you see that the value area 1591, we are trading at 16, so roughly about 80 to 90 cent downside. So exactly this is the price action you will see here. We have a rejection, one down right in this area of the volume fill up of this spread candle, and bounce straight into 20 area. So this is the 100% exact path this stock will follow. One drop and bounce. So you should be ready around 15.80 area to buy the position once the price drop. Okay, but wait for the reversal candle. Like this is the price dropping, then we have a spread candle, one green candle closing above after the spread candle. That's the candle you'll be waiting. So probably it will take about 1 or 2 more days before the price hits the bottom and then bounce. Moving forward to PNW, this stock has a lot of downside. That's what I clearly mentioned. We have a little bit of more upside left from here. So first, maximum will go to 210 area. Okay, this area volume here. And then you will see the sell-off. Okay, there will be one more sell-off right in this area. Why this particular candle has a rejection in this area? You know that? Why this candle only rejected at this point? Why not here, 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 here? Let's figure out why this candle has a rejection only at this point. You see this candle right here, and you see the opening of this particular candle. Sorry, yeah, the opening of a red candle, this candle, this one, then next to the spread candle. Exactly in this area, there is a price rejection. Why only in this area? Why not here, 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 here? It could have been rejection anywhere. Why only at this point? Look here. This candle is your ultra high volume candle right here. This is the candle that you are looking at up. And the closing of this candle is the resistance. If I delete this, all my drawing, this particular candle, which was the volume fill up candle, you see this red line marked here, this red line. When I bring the cursor here on the right, look, right here is the rejection of the price, because that's where the resistance is found. And the price is selling off. Now, where the price will go down, exactly maximum to this point right here, which is 190 area, 191 area right here. So this is the maximum pullback, which is in wave 4, and then bounce back again. Okay, volume fill up. This stock will not take this point. It will not cross this point right here. You see that this point will not cross, and then we'll have a sell-off again. So make sure you know what you are looking at on the chart. Moving forward to NASDAQ, again, sell-off is coming. You see, pay close attention to these two candles. One here, exhaustion level. Another one here, another exhaustion and sell-off. So previous week low will be the target in this area, and nothing can stop that. Okay, moving forward to QuantumScape. I don't have a position on this one. I'm looking for the one sell-off. Why I'm looking for one sell-off? When you look at this ramp kind of pattern, every time when you see this ramp, which is also known as the rising wedge or flag or whatever you name it, it doesn't matter. Okay, a lot of people call it, oh, it's a bearish flag from here. You have a flag. Also, it has a rising wedge, whatever you call it. Name could be anything. It doesn't matter. When you understand the price action behind this thing, then you know what's going on. So what happens? Look at the zigzag pattern inside this trend. One more upside and then straight down. This is how the price action will happen. And that's why we do not have a long position, and we are reading under 10 area. So the price will have maximum. Generally, the fourth touch point is the failure point. Okay, like right here. This is where your failure point is. A 970 area, we'll be buying more. Moving forward to Rivian, how can it not sell off when I yesterday mentioned that this stock has reached the top and it will sell off? Right in this area, we have the sell off where we are looking to buy at the equilibrium, which is previously low, 15.3915 area. We'll be loading this. The price has more downside. Even if it gives a little bit of recovery right here, that will be the mitigation of this fair value gap, and then another sell-off right in this area. So 1540 area is coming, and from there, then we'll mark the another high. Eventually, this stock will go to 24, and nothing can stop that. This stock, when it was trading at 953, since then I've been saying it's a $24 stock. There are only few stock in the market which belongs to 24. First one was SoFi at 647 when we picked up. Then it was Rivian when we picked up back around 1957, 1959.53 area. The another stock is your BBAI, which also belongs north of $20. Then you have the Bull, which also belongs to 18 to 20 area. These are certain stock which will go to that area. Okay. Moving forward to SMCI, we have this recovery going on right here. What do you see here? Right at this point, you are looking at a bending market. Okay, this is how the price will go up. It will continue going up, a little bit pull back, then bounce, a little bit pull back, bounce. So it's a bending market. The price, this is where it's a heading. Previous month high, which is 53.08. That's where it belongs, 53.08. Eventually, it will go there. Moving forward to SoundHound, this is the another stock which belongs to the 20 area. Again, you have a bending market right here. If you can see that, the bending market will continue, which is some people also call it the cup and handle pattern in a simple language. So you can also have this. But when you focus on a liquidity trading, then the cup and handle and all this doesn't matter. Okay, so this is what we are looking at. The pattern trading is very, very basic language in the trading industry. A lot of people follow because they don't know much better than that. Okay, so what we are looking at, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5 wave will finish here, then we'll have a little bit of pullback, which is A, B, and C. Retrace back into this area, which is the previous high of this. So approximately go to 18, then come back to 15 and continue towards the 21 area. Moving forward to Bitcoin, Bitcoin need to claim 92.7 as soon as possible if we want to turn bullish. Unless we go 92.7, Bitcoin is in trouble. This every insider demand is nothing unless it goes to 92.7. If we do not break 92.7, we have a most likely revisit the 80, 83, 84 area. Okay, right in this area, right here, this previous, this one. Okay, 83 area. So that's why we'll be carefully monitoring this. Once we break 92.7, the Bitcoin will turn bullish and straight we will bounce to 101 area and 107 area. But it must reclaim 92.7. Otherwise, the Bitcoin is in trouble. There is a possibility. If we don't break 92.7, we'll revisit this area, which is previous week low. Okay, and that's why it's important that we must flip the wall at the 92.7 and stay on the bullish side. Moving forward to Solana, 131. Yesterday, I clearly mentioned we are going down. So the sell-off right from here down, this is where I asked everyone to exit. This will become your internal demand. Another supply going on. Most likely, we are revisiting this area. Okay, where we are going, I don't think so. We'll have an equal low in this area. There will be a positive angle left, and the price will bounce like here. This is what the kind of price action I'm looking. So right here, a little bit more a sell-off right to this point, which is 130, and then bounce. Eventually, Solana is going 136 area. Moving forward to Ethereum. Ethereum is opening red today. So you'll see a little bit of pullback on the BMNR, which I just mentioned. There is a pullback into 30 area because the Ethereum is facing the resistance right here. So Ethereum is facing resistance means Ethereum will pull back to this area, like another 3,000 back, and then bounce and break the resistance. That will bring the BMNR back into 30 area. Moving forward to Oracle, the market is open. This is the last I will do it because I need to look at my trade now. Okay, we have the VIX double down. Oracle has upside from here. We have earning coming up tomorrow after the market. I'll be posting this analysis once again because throughout the earning we need to redo the analysis based on the data and everything on the options. Okay, what the market is pricing in. So around event or earning, the technical analysis doesn't work. Okay, we need to look at a lot of data before we reach to conclusion. All right, so let's double down on the VIX call. Long call 19 for 17th of March. Double down those call. Market will be again slow today, and the reason being tomorrow we have the Fed meeting. Okay, about the interest rate cut as well as the Powell speaking tomorrow. So one more day today is going to be a little bit slow. So do not get excited or buy anything. Instead, try to adjust your portfolio. Every day is not a trading day. The day you understand certain concept about the trading, nothing can stop you to make money and become a successful trader. Every day, this is not a 9-to-5 job. This is not a cash in hand salary that you go, you work, you do the labor work, and you get the money. Okay, this is not how it works in the stock market. Certain days you do nothing, just look at the screen. When you know the event is happening, you need a lot of patience. This is not the game, oh, the market is open, let me buy something, let me make $300. You are in a wrong profession. Go and find some work in the vegetable market. So you load the truck and you get every day $100. All right here, let's find something to trade. What we can do right in this area. If we have a perfect setup, we'll definitely take a trade. 683.37. We have a 9 EMA, 15 EMA crossing soon. All right. Let's go to 5-minute time frame. We have a price bouncing off because we have the GEX bullish. A, B, and C right in this area. So the market is recovering on a smaller time frame. Okay, this is smaller time frame. It's not the overall trend. Okay, VIX is 1775. We have a nice bounce on the VIX right in this area. Okay, so let's look at, this is the wicks we were looking at. The wicks need to recover. Wicks cannot stay where it is right now. So one bounce, sideline or range bound. What do you expect the wicks to do? Once you have the bounce or range bound, means another bounce is due. Okay, this is how the market will go up. So this kind of bounce will be here. Amazon 2 to 6, that's what I told you. Downside are right in this area, wick right here. 440. Now you can understand why I told you, Rahul, why you have a credit spread and you never spread it. Once you have a credit spread, eventually you will make the profit on that trade, right? Because it's a credit spread. So just to make a little extra, do not expose yourself against the market. Don't try to outsmart the market that, oh, I know Tesla is going down, let me close the long call. Why do I even lose $200? No, lose $200 to make $1,000. What's the problem in that? You are in a credit trade. Okay, I have my SOXL trade going on. Okay, excellent. That's what I was looking at. Right here, see that? When the price was right here, I told you that we have reached to the top and the sell-off is coming. This is what we were looking at. Precisely. We have the awareness Marubasu candle, means the sell-off is coming. Most of the market is showing the sign of sell-off, mostly. 184, someone was excited yesterday. The NVDA bouncing to 190. The NVDA will only bounce where we have the price, okay? Right in this area. Why NVIDIA only bounced to 190.93? That was my price target. It bounced to 190.99. Look left when you are lost. This was the highest candle. What was the closing of this candle right here? 199.68. Look right. When you are lost, look left. Right here. You see that? This is the area only the price is supposed to come and have a rejection. It's simple. It will only come where it's supposed to come, when you know the things. Okay, exact sell-off here. Now, where the price will go from here, mitigation this order block. So another one more candle, volume fill up down here. Multiple equal, spinning here, spread candle, low, low, spinning again. So multiple times, you see this range bound area here? This range bound. This is where the price will come. And then we'll decide for the bounce. Okay, QS Rivian 1766. So a little bit of it's going for the mitigation, exactly the green candle, mitigation of this order block and sell off. So SMCI is red today, and that's why I closed my one of the spread yesterday for profit, even if it was a small profit. There was a reason I took the profit. $657, this is what I was looking at the meta. I clearly mentioned this fair value gap. The price will come back into 646 area, and it's happening. Okay. That's why when this wick came, right at this wick, we took the exit. Right at this wick. On the live trading, we took the exit on this one. When this wick came, we were live trading, and we knew it. If this wick has come, means this is liquidity swap, and the price will tank once again. Where is the maximum the price can go? Price will not break this area. It will not go below this area. That's it. 35, 34, 441, Tesla, Amazon going continuously downs. We have hit the golden zone of the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, we have a nice wick here, the hammer candle, which is also similar to the pin bar candle right here. Okay, so we'll be monitoring the price from here for the bounce. Wix is green, range bound, another breakout is coming. S&P 500, 683.93. Okay, market will brace for the Powell speaking tomorrow. Mostly sideline, don't expect a lot of actions in the market today, because unless the VIX comes back. You see that 0.004, 0.83, 0.4, 0.16, 1%, 1%. Most of the stock you see around 1% green or red. That's it. There's no major swing in the market. So those are the days, especially these always happens in a month. At least you have 1 or 2 days where the market is always sidelined because there is nothing in the market. So don't. It feels boring certain days, but that's how trading works. Trading is a boring business. If you are excited, you are in a wrong profession. Your trading should look boring because making money is not excitement and fun. You can make one day like ATMC. A lot of people will be making a lot of money today, 502% jump. But these people, those who chase all these kind of stock, they blow up their account and goodbye. They don't sustain in the market. They will make money. They will make $100,000, $200,000. They share some screenshot, take another risky bet, blow up their account and goodbye. They're out of the market. Then they will go back to work in Hooters and then earn some money again to enter the market. So don't chase. Understand this mindset. Don't stop chasing. The whole game is a marathon. It's not a sprint. All right here. So let's find what's going on the NVIDIA now. This sell-off. Okay, we'll do the BSA analysis mostly. All right. So right here, this was the highest candle. Closing of this candle was your price target. Upside, price target hit, retracement from the fixed volume range profile, swing low to the current candle. Where is the value area? Right here. So 177, we are a buyer. Till then, we'll stay clear, which is also the golden zone of the Fibonacci retracement right in this area. You see that? Your analysis should be that accurate that the people, it should blow people's mind away that how the hell you knew it, the price will come here. Use tools. Start thinking that chart has everything. Okay, so 177 area, we are a buyer, 177.74, 177.60, this area, 0.5. Till then, stay clear. And once this drop $7, that you know that what will happen to S&P 500. That's what we are looking at. This is the highest volume candle. This is the closing. There is no power in this world which will save S&P 500 to drop to 656. It dropped tomorrow. It dropped 10 days after that down the line. It dropped 30 days down the line. I cannot have the time. Okay, time is the most difficult thing in the trading industry. That which day it will drop, but this is where the price will drop. This is where the bottom is, 656, and that's why we have a short position. We know that what we are holding. A lot of people are excited. Oh my God, now we have a breakout of consolidation. This is what they call exhaustion, is a consolidation for them. You know, this is exhaustion, means buyers are not able to do anything. For them, it's a consolidation before the breakout. That's why they lose money. All right, a little bit more downside on Amazon. Then we'll be looking for trade adjustment. Tesla 440.87, spread candle, still downside, order block to fill. BBI 640, a little bit more downside, another order block with a point of control line 618. So another 30%, which makes it another 4 to 5% down. Right now, 2.5%. We are looking for another 5% before we open a trade. BMNR 35.47, price spin, exhaustion level, ABC finish. We are looking for the liquidity grab before this, below this point. Bull 966 holding, reaching to 10 area, coin 271 circle. Let's see if we have a trade somewhere. Tesla bounce, yeah, 441. Market is pulling back, the volume is coming. Let's look at what's going on here. Okay, the market is on the sell side before the event. No, this looks yesterday's. Yeah, they bought it last minute, and that's why the market is green in the morning. Last minute buy here, 400, because this was the whole day, this was a sell. The market was sitting on a sell side. Last minute they bought it. So let's wait for the first 15-minute candle. I'm expecting a pump and dump right before because there is no interest rate cut happening tomorrow. I doubt there will be interest rate cuts. Wicks sell off. Okay, good. So let's go and double down on the Wicks long call. Okay, so we are range bound here before the trend line. If interest doesn't cut, market will tank. Interest rate cut is good for the market, because what happens when the borrowing money means drop. When the interest rate cut, what happens? Why the market goes up when the interest rate cut, and when the interest rate increase, why the market tank? In 2022, when the interest rate was going up during the COVID, like 21, 22 area, the 2020 we had almost 5-10x bounce right in the COVID. So negative news, market bounce. Remember this thing: negative news, disaster, stock market will always go up. Stock market go down when everything is flourishing, when the job data is good, when economy is doing, money supply is good, Bitcoin is high. That's when the sell-off happens. When the COVID lockdown, this shit happens, the market will go up. Then the interest rate will increase, the market will tank. 2022, okay, 2025 and 4, interest rate will cut, market will go again up, means all-time high. If the interest rate cut, market will go up. Yes, people borrow money and they put it, especially not just people, it's directly to the banks. So the bank borrow money from the central bank. When borrowing become easy and the people borrow from the bank, so the more money flows in the market. People start using credit line, people start using margin account, when the interest rate become cheap and more money comes to the capital market. And that's why interest rate cut is good for the stock markets. But right now, I don't see any reason for Powell to cut the interest rate. Market is holding all-time high. There is nothing wrong. Inflation, everything is under control. So I don't think so they will cut the interest rate in December. January, yes, I think they will try to cut in January. And January, they will pump the market in January and push the February. They have a Fed meeting around 29th of January. So that's where I think the disaster will happen. They will cut the interest rate in January, pump the market. February, it will be disaster like November. They will postpone the sell-off. Because market can't be so easy to predict for every person. Unless you are a professional trader, you have been doing shit for years, you understand the language the market speaks. Otherwise, whatever you will expect from the market will do the opposite. Okay, 226, the Amazon need to bounce from here a little bit. I think $2 to $3 bounce coming from here. So let's remove the drawing. Yep, $2 to $3 scalping on Amazon is right here on this candle. You see the liquidity sweep right here, ultra high volume. I want a little bit more high volume on this candle. This volume should go up more before this candle closes. It's a 30-minute candle. So let's go to 15-minute, and here you see you have the ghost ready. So means this was the low candle of the trend. So on a 30-minute, we'll see the recovery from here, $2 to $3 recovery on Amazon. 228 most likely is the next. All right here, 242 bouncing. BM and BBAI selling off. That's what we were looking at. So you see the H. Every time the H happens, it will go down for liquidity and then bounce. Means this is the area the price will tank and then bounce. BMNR sell off. Here we are again retesting the resistance, monitoring whether it will break or not on a smaller time frame. Okay. Again, it's a failure. The next candle will decide whether we are breaking out or not. So this candle, the wick has zero importance here. bull spread candle holding the trend line, bouncing off. The bull has to go to $10. There is nothing it can stop it to $10, and then gamma flip. Hive, I can repeat the trade third time, okay, fourth time. So we have closed the 3 trade back to back on Hive in profit. Double short put will repeat the trade. Alert coming in Discord in 10 seconds. So this is double short put for 18th of June. I'll post the screenshot so easy for you. That's the pullback we were looking for. 18th of June 2026. Same. I'll repeat the trade for 4 and 4-3. That gives us 227. How much credit we had last time? 155 plus 85. 1 plus 85. So last time we had a credit of 140. Now we are getting the credit of what? We're getting more. 115, 75 to 27 now. Okay, same credit. It's going on. Hold on. 18 June 2026. This trade was 18 June 2026. We had this one, 85 cent here, 155 here. So this was 155. This is 85. Okay. So what's the spread here? 155 plus 75. 1.55 plus 0.75. We'll take the credit of 230 here. So $230. 2.30. Okay, so here we go. Double short put with a twist this time. Okay, we'll collect more. So let's do this. Yep. So another 75, 230, 2.30 plus 0.75. So $3.05. Okay. I'm going with a twist on this one. Okay. $230.75, 230.75, 305. Okay. So pay close attention what the alert is. Okay? There is a twist. We are collecting $305 per contract. So to 3.05, and this will be Hive repeat trade alert number. What's the number going on here? Alert number going on 170, 172. Okay, alert number 172 on the Discord. APLD, you have 40s. What is APLD? Which stock is that? You have 4,600 share average 33. Cut your position right now. Exit at break even. Hold on. Why didn't you cut it at this bounce on 5th of December? You were $2 in profit. When you get the opportunity, you need to exit your trade. Okay, let me see where the price is going. So you have an definitely uptrend, independent candle. The price will continue going upward for sure. You're bullish. So right in this area, which is equal to the previous month high. So I think you should get out of this trade at 35.56. Your exit should be 35.56. Exit must. If you don't exit, you will not get the exit again. Okay, let me give you the exit on this one. APLT. So you are close to break even. I'll get you exit on 9th of January for your break even is 33. Okay. $30. Okay. 9th January, $30 sell covered call. Sell covered call for 9th January, $34, 4 point. Trap the call buyer here nicely. Okay. For $5.20. 5.20 cent. Sell 46 call. And you'll be collect total dollar. How much are you collecting? 5.20 multiplied by 4,600. 4,600 multiplied by 5.20. Yeah, 23,920. Collect this money and sleep with the peace. Then let the world go to hell. It's none of your business. You got $24,000. That's it. Bye-bye. Hive, the second leg of the put has 2. The first leg of the put has 1 contract. So it's a leveraged 1:2 ratio, double put with 1:2 leverage ratio. Collect the premium. That's how you collect $1 because we are selling 3 puts, 1, and then we are selling 2 of the second leg. 3 put, $3.05 means $1. Where is our break even on the Hive? Right now trading at 307. We are collecting $1. Our break even is $2. That's it. And stock going from $3 to $2. That's 33% downside is your break even. That's how you trade. Nothing can stop you to make money on this. All should have Hive 1:2 ratio, double leveraged short put. A lot of people, if they are not in our Discord, they don't understand what the hell I'm talking. And that's why it's so fun trading. Some people should not even understand what we are talking. Let them chit chat on the stock tweet or Twitter, and they think they will get rich from stock market. All right, Hive. Everyone should have this trade in the Discord. Alert 172. All, no exception. Free money on the table. All right, here we go. How can it not bounce? How can it not bounce? You see that? When I told you there are $2 right here from this point. So $2 right here from 2 to 5 to 2 to 7. That day I will not be able to calculate the market. I'll sign out. All right, VIX dropping right here on the 5-minute scalping. We have a next candle will mark the bottom. Yep, not this candle. Next candle will hold. We are looking for the stopping volume. 5 more minutes and the VIX will recover. April, which one? What is April? People borrow money? Yes. What is April? What is the question for April? What about April? If you type on the chat. Meta 650 long call. Okay, hold on. I bought the VIX 18 February. Why you bought 18 February? We all have for 17th of March. Because February, if January rate cut happened, the VIX can be pushed into February. We want to hold it for March. Okay, Meta 650, Meta. All right, just hold for recovery. This pullback was alerted. Okay, I clearly told you here on Discord. Look, right here. Order block mitigation. You see this one candle. There will be no red candle. There will be no more red candle. This is one candle. Top This is Uno card from here. You see that? Why this candle came here? Let's look at, understand. Who will tell me why this red candle came here? Fair value gap, okay, one of the options. But what other? Look here. 1, 2, 3. None of the candle was able to break the wick. No independent candle here, means tank. Volume dropping, volume lower means red volume bottom. If the red volume increase here, then only the next red candle will come. Otherwise, the green volume will start again, which is most likely the case. Where is the bottom of Meta? Right here. Right here. Let's figure out. We are on a daily time frame. So daily time, when we are on daily time frame, it may take 3 to 4 days. Okay, always remember. So from this was the candle to the top candle. You see the point of control? Exactly where we draw the line, which is 642.85. If it comes to 685, we can average down our call. Otherwise, we just hold 680, 650 call. There's a small pullback in the market at this level. It's not a sell-off. It's not that you should be worried about something, but there's a little bit of because generally when there is a government event like Fed and all this, there is a volatility needs to go up. Okay, all right. The VIX order filled. Already doubled down. I now have 50 contract, which I started with 10. I've done closing, buying, so we're good. Now I've increased to 50 contract in total. Okay, here's on the chart here. Okay, what do you want? Okay, I'll show you something interesting. Look at this guy. Then there are a lot of people, then they blame the Discord or they join different Discord and then say, oh, Discord doesn't help, Discord doesn't make us money and this and that. So let's look at this guy. I'll show you the live example. Right here, this member sign up. This the Frank, this guy signed up here on 8th of November. I sent him the question to start giving me about the account information, that where you stand, what you had. Thank you for the opportunity, sir. I've been trading for 6 years, 7-figure e-trade, current loss 240,000. I told you, okay, we'll bring it back, start trading. You'll learn a lot here. Becoming a successful trader is guaranteed. I told him, do not engage with this fake profile and zero conversation, no trading at all. And today, membership cancelled. Why do you sign up? Who invited you here? Who invited you? Who went to your house and said that join the Stock Pivot Discord? We don't need member. Don't waste your 1 month fees if someone is listening who is not in our Discord. Don't sign up for 1 month. We don't need you here. Don't waste your time. Focus on learning. And then this kind of people will go and say, oh, I joined multiple Discord and I did not make money. You want to be rich in 30 days? Go buy the Lotto ticket, Lotto Max. There are more chances than the trading. Or discuss and take your money back. Instead of canceling, say, hey, I did not trade, give me my money back. I'll refund you. And that's why we don't add new member in our group. It takes them 3 to 4 months to brainwash them, to train them so that they can start thinking the way I think, where to buy, when to sell, how to go covered, how to hedge your position. And then they waste time. And it's so difficult with the new members. That start explaining with them ABC of the trading. This is what ROS is. This is what MMC is. This is what structure is. What kind of people live in this world? All right, on the BMNR 5450 area, this is our price target. This is where we are heading eventually, right here. The maximum number of volume drop down right from here to the swing high to the current price. Target is here, 4950 area. Okay, let's make some money on a 5-minute time frame if we have a trade. Okay, market is pushing, very good. If it's pushing higher, 639, we can short the put on BBI right now. So there is a long position here. At the money put for 18 June 2026, short the put right here. BBAI short put right here, $6 at the money. Okay. $18th of June, $6 put. Okay, 156. Collect $156 on this one, short the put here. Nice. Wix is due for bounce. I told you next candle. This is the stopping volume right here. The next candle, the green bar about to come. Within next 2 candle, the price will start recovery on this one. Wix bull spread here. The Wix is dropping and my trade is green. What the hell is going on here? What the hell is this? The Wix itself has the volatility today, the price, the spread. What's going on? 25 short. Wix, 17th of March. This has a 338 premium. $20 call, 17th of March. $20. 338, 333. So this I can take. I really need to plan my trade here. This is the stopping volume, the bottom. The price will bounce back from here. The next candle need to bounce. Very next candle of the 5-minute. Let's see on the 2-minute. Most likely you'll see the reversal. Yep, equal low on the 2-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame, next candle will bounce. Right here. The recovery is coming on Wix. So let me see if I buy back here. Buy back this one, 3.30, 5 contract. Okay, Meta. Okay, come on. There's a heavy order all across on the Wix. If you look at the open interest, crazy. 10,000, 12,000. The highest open interest is a $21. 12,500 contract right now. 14,000. Who the hell is trading that many contracts? Looks like everyone is trading Wix now. On 50 contract, I'm looking approximately how much profit I'm looking on the Wix to make. That's going for 220. This will give us 23, 2.23, 5,000. I'm looking about $1,150 profit on Wix trade. On 50 contract, $1,150 target. So that's fair enough. Like $1,100 is good to make. BMNR. BMNR will not break $65. Just make sure. Those who are listening, those who are excited, Ethereum going to 10,000. BMNR will not break 65. And it will sell off. All right. The next candle, this particular candle has to close higher. We are right at the bottom. The recovery need to happen from here. Push. See this, the gap here in the body, from this body to this body. If this candle close here, the body is shrinking. That's how you identify that, oh, buy volume is coming, bullish. There are a lot of hidden mysteries in a candle. So now it's down, it means selling pressure is high. So when this candle close, then we'll decide what will happen. So just keep monitoring this difference in the body. The wick is equal, but body is important. 444 Tesla. Okay, coin. BBAI, yep. It's good here. Hive is coming back. All right. Overall is we haven't closed anything, but account is on recovery. There's a more recovery, about 220,000. Mara, Melly, here we go. The Melly sell-off. This was alerted. The Melly. Okay. H, what do you see? Liquidity sweep and bounce. 501. I'm opening the trade on NEO anytime. This will be the 5th trade back to back. Okay, so we'll be monitoring this one carefully. 1 hour time frame, 15 minute. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. 497. Oh, it already hit 497. Oh shit, I did not notice that. Okay, I'm going for the same call. NEO, repeat the trade. 5th time. NEO call, repeat the trade. Alert number 171. So we have 2 repeat trade today. 170. Where is NEO? NEO here. That's why we took the exit, because we knew it will have a better entry, and we got it. Alert number 170. What was the alert number? 171. Okay, at F31. We got the BBI alert repeated, and we got the NEO alert. NEO alert 171. Now it has become alert number 173. Repeat trade of alert 171. Long call. So going long again, Neo. If I get a little bit, 1 or 2 more cent down here, like $5 will be better. 497 was the price target, and we literally missed it. I don't know. There was a wick. We were looking at other stock, and it's gone. Sound out. Okay, Neo, pay attention to Neo. This call will become cheaper if you buy under $5 because we are buying a $5 call. So once the price is below 5, it turns into OTM, and right away it loses few cents. And Neo, I'll be hitting 100 contract on this one. 15th of May, $5 call. Excellent. We bought it for 89. We sold it for 95. And now it's trading back to 88. Excellent. Same price. So 3 trade back to back. And still we got the same premium once again. And we have enough time. Let me quickly run the Neo options today. What's going on? User Ash, if you're listening, Neo long call, you need to repeat. Same trade which we closed for $150 on your account. Same date, same trade, same strike price. Go for 10 contract. User Ash. 10 contract, Neo, repeat the trade. Alrighty, so 12th of December. Now, if we are going long on Neo today, we should get the exit on 19th of December with profit. Gamma exposure, 29% bullish. Gamma flip wall. Let me go. Neo will have the most upside run around 16th of January. That's where the stock will bounce hard. Tesla shorted at 44480. Instead of shorting, why did you sell the call? Yeah. Looks okay to me here. I'll take that as a short. So let me help you. I'll go in short. Volume drop, price up, equal fail, S1, pivot. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and see. I think you shorted a little early. Seth, it was little early entry. You have a momentum candle right here, which is breaking the previous body right here, means there is a momentum on the buy side. We have a bull divergence with a volume drop, and the next candle again can be big. IBKR telling me 630 max loss on Hive trade while we are selling naked put. I'm not eased with this, but this is not how it works. System is always showing you considering if the stock goes to 0. But why do you think Hive will go to 0? Right? So it's not going to 0. We cannot lose even 1 cent. The break even is $2. 33% down from the current price. We can't even lose $1. If you think Hive is here, okay, let's look at Hive. Hive. Where was the price? It was trading here at 782. Right here, 782. Now trading at 3, already 50% down, and your break even is even 33% down from here. Do you think the world, there is a tsunami coming in this world, or the another asteroid is coming to kill all the humans? The Hive will go to $2 and under to make you lose? Nothing is happening. When I say it's a safe trade, it's a safe trade. I'll buy 50,000 share under $2. Why do we care? Your break even is 33% down from here. What happened? Go to your account. Short put is good, but when we trade short put, we trade with twist. Not like every Tom, Dick, and Harry in the market can do that. We have 1:2 leverage ratio, which gives us a hell of a downside protection. If you lose money on Hive short put, I'll pay you that difference. Okay, go and short the put. What else you need? Record this, YouTube. It's on recorded. You should know what you are doing instead of panicking. You'll be willing to buy this stock when it goes to 441. Let me tell you, a lot of people will be buying it here, not here. They can't short the put here, but they'll be buying here after 50% upside. That's how retail investor mind works. Let me show you the Hive chart. On the Discord, Hive chart with the trend analysis coming in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be a crime if you're not shorting a put on Hive right now. On the trend line, support line, RSI close to oversold. Price is already down by 60% from the all-time high. And our downside is another 30% downside is our break even. And if you still don't want to short, don't trade options. It's simple. Learn the outcome, just not like that, oh, I don't trade naked put, I don't do options. Instead of that, the fear in the mind, learn what the hell, why we are shorting the put here. We are collecting the premium of 33% downside. Even if we go to equal low of this point, right? Still you'll be sitting 50% above the break even here. Okay, we got the ghost. So your short is, I think, is saved here. Yeah, my algo is picking up volume burst here. Can go on 1 minute time frame, and I can do something here. Just 1 minute. BDAI, BMNR, bull 978. Okay, good. See, that's what I told you. Point number 1, 9.96. Right at $10, you will see the pullback. Right, a precise $10. So this is something will happen here. 996 candle, wick right here. This is something will happen right at the $10. Okay, right here, $10 you'll have a wick, and then the price will sell like this. There will be a wick like this at $10, and the price will sell off. What price did you short Tesla? We have a bearish divergence. This pattern, what's going on here? Let's try to figure out. So this become invalid here. There is no reason for this one. Okay, that's where the price should fall. Minimum here. Okay, this become our target. And there is no stopping volume at all here. So the first price target here, equal low. First price target, second price target, that's it, of the short position. But I don't know why you short it. Still, it's a bloody symmetrical triangle here. You don't want this to break out upside. Symmetrical triangle at the top. If this symmetrical triangle break out, the breakout will be huge. This much, all the way from here, which is going to be $7. Not a good. I think we don't have a good setup for short here. You see that? And there's a 99% chance symmetrical triangle always break out upside. The first opportunity should be out of this trade. $400, $550, $80, whatever you can get it, you should be out. Risky trade equal. Risk reward is equal. I will not short here, but I will definitely short here. Okay. Okay, BBI 647, market is coming back, Amazon is back, Wix is holding here, SPY 683. Okay, VWAP mitigation on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, why we are looking at 1 minute on this one? All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 ABC, bounce, previous one high, BNR, nice bounce, bingo. This shit has to go to 30, 40, 46 area. This really need to go up. We've been holding for a while. Previous day low rejection. Okay, good. Looks good here. Circle. Okay, wave 5 started on circle. Mara, Mali, Meta. We have this order block to mitigate. I think there is a little bit more downside left. Right now, this candle, you see this big candle, this is what holding Meta. And if you look at, this is what holding Meta. This candle, closing of green is always up, red closing is always down. So here we go. This is what holding the market. I mean, Meta, not market. If we break this candle, we'll have a sharp decline. Take this candle right here. Okay, so this is what holding. Keep an eye, close eye on this one. Next 3 to 4 hours, we'll have the more clarity on this one. 501 Neo order didn't fill. Still didn't fill. What the hell? Neo order did not fill. Come on, Neo. Neo is revisiting this area. 1 2 3 4 5 494 495. Yep, next candle will be green. Next candle on NEO will be green. Pin bar, falling short, green candle. We'll come back on this one in 10, 15 minutes. If you look at a 5, if I click on 5 minute, I can guarantee you there is a green candle going on. Upside recovery right here. You see that? This candle, from this candle, the bottom candle, recovery begins. Meta. We are talking Mara, 1207. Mara is doing good a little bit here, 1207. Do we have something to sell on Mara? Not really. Spread candle, bounce, internal supply 1, 2, bounce. A bounce is coming here. 36.16. See, I told you, you went too early on a short on Tesla. Symmetrical triangle breakout. You see that? Equal high ghost appeared. Okay. If you're lucky, it will disappear. Otherwise, we'll break out upside. If this disappear from the chart, make sure you exit your trade. Saf, your short position. If this icon goes away, exit your trade. As long as it's staying on the chart, you are good. I don't have short here. I told you, you went too early. Hive. See? That's why when I say, at this candle, I told you short the put. And I told you, even if you lose the money, I'll pay you. Look at this one. Bounce. Learn your chart. Learn. Nothing will stop you. So what happened? Down, H, liquidity sweep and bounce. How can you not short the leverage put? And when holding SOXL, make sure you have adjusted your trade to 40 short, 48 put short, 50 call long, 60 call short, 4-line trade. We have booked enough profit on this one, few thousands. We've been trading this almost more than 6 months now. And every few days we have booked profit on this one. Already going green on Hive. Alrighty, 4-hour time frame. That's what I was looking at when yesterday I told you that we are reaching the top right in this area. I adjusted my trade right here. I went 7 trade collected, 1 trade long. Only long position I have is a 50 call, but everything is short, put, call, everything. And right here, where the price will drop. Right in this area. Okay, so the POC is here. Wow, interesting. Let's look at 1-hour time frame. What's going on in that case? And so XL, I'm expecting to fall into 36, 37 area. Yeah, exactly right here. That's what I'm looking at, 36, $11 drop here. It has been marking multiple bearish divergence right here. You see that? bounce, it's going to sell off. NVDA, looking for the last leg upside. Arabian, it has to sell here. SMCI, somehow. Let me see if any stock which is trading at the trend line. I'll go through my watch list. Give me like 5 minutes. I have to scan the entire watch list. American Airlines overbought, Airbnb overbought, Accenture overbought, Adobe overbought, Affirm, not a good trade here. AI is flying under the radar. Just for your information, those who are still in the trade, the shit is going under the radar. You see that? We have a trade. So from $12 back to 15. This stock belongs to 2023 area. Okay, it will always go back to 20 area. Right here. This is where it belongs. So pump. Okay. But don't buy AI now if you are not in the trade. Okay. ALG, a little bit more upside. We have fair value gap fill at $200, still $40 upside. Eli Lilly. Our friend AAST. Perfect catch, but we took exit too early on this, I think. Yeah, we bought it at 63, took the exit at 72 something, 73 area. So that was a good catch in wave 3 overnight. Okay, so next entry on ASTS will be right here. Right at 63, again 63, 64 area, plus minus few cents, 63.75. That's where we'll enter the trade once again. So wait for $9 drop on ASTS and we'll be ready. Okay. Amazon will make a lot of money, but it has a sell-off going on here. Wave 5 downside, last leg down. Keep a close eye on Amazon. Stay protected with the new covered call I gave you yesterday. I won't be surprised to see 214 and bounce. Apple, sell the call. Apple, sell the call. Google, sell the call. ADI, sell the call. App loving, APP, sell the call. OTM. Especially APP app, go OTM, further OTM calls. ASML, you can sell the call. AVGO, you can sell the call. BITB. This is the Bitcoin ETF, like BITB, BITO. These are trading in a good range right now. They are all in buy zone because of the Bitcoin being down. Booking.com hit the resistance. CELH. Some of you are holding CELH. Your exit is coming. Exit around 60 area, but don't open a new trade. It's a very slow stock. Costco is trading really at a good price. Anything on Costco under 900, 10, 11 is like lottery, like cheap. CrowdStrike, CRM, CTHS, excellent run. We traded CTHS coin. Coin will bounce. in a couple of days. I think tomorrow the coin will turn bullish. RSI just at 48.58. So most likely today will turn bullish on coin because we are up 2.4%, $5 per share. Tomorrow the coin will enter the bull run. So pay attention on coin. Carnival Cruise. DVLT, a lot of downside. Data Vault. This stock you can buy at price drop. DVLT. We traded this one. We went 40% overnight on this one. Last time when it broke out right here, you see this we traded. Since then we have been out. We are not at the bottom. The bottom is under 125. So there is still 25 cents down. It's not going to this point. And where it's going, let me run the, we want to trade this stock once again. Last time we did excellent trade on this. So wave 2, wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Keep a sharp eye on Data Vault. 123. Set the limit order. Alert coming in 5 seconds. Everyone should have this limit order. DVLT, Data Vault, buy limit order 123, which is previous month low right here. 123, limit order on the all account. Let's see what's the option data says on DVLT. We need to make some big money now. It's been a while since we hit the big jackpot. Come on. What's wrong here? What the hell is this? Oh, DVLT doesn't have options. Okay. That's why it's not showing. Okay. We'll be buying the share at 123 in that case. Yeah. Show me the price, show me the price, show me the price. What's going on here? Expressing a head and shoulder pattern on this one. Has this been completed? Yes, this completed. Next 2 weeks, we have a bearish trend on Data Vault, and after 2 weeks, we'll start shooting upside. So it means there is a little bit more downside left here. Okay. GME is doing good. GME, we have earning, right? Today, wow. All right, GameStop will beat the earning. We'll see Uno card on this one. Neither bullish nor bearish. If the price will tank, we'll recover back. If the price will go up, we'll sell off. Most likely will be plus minus in this area only, few cents. We will hold just like, let's say 23.41. We might hold 23.83. That's it. Will not hold the gain on this. Why will not hold the gain? is right here. You see that? This candle is a troublemaking candle because there is a sell side liquidity right here. Once we bounce, seller will sell it right away. 643, $593 on Tesla. Okay, what happened to your Tesla short, Seth? Are you still in the short on Tesla? 446. I told you, my friend, it's too early to short Tesla here. You see that? Symmetrical triangle, upside breakout, momentum candle. Every candle is an independent candle. I wanted to short myself with you, but I told you this is not the right time to short. Yeah, MSTR. This shit has to move, man. This, you can't hold it so long. This belongs to 326, 360 area. This has to go up. It's too cheap right now. It means the biggest crypto treasury in the world, Bitcoin treasury, is trading like a garbage. But certainly this was the bottom. So we're bouncing off. I'm looking for this price action right here. This one, 280 area, a little bit of retracement in 280, and then max. This is the max we are looking at, 360. We are not looking above 360. That's the dead end. $280 is a decent price target for this. Circle, yeah, Circle was covered yesterday. BMNU, what is BMNU? BMNR up. That's what you're trying. Sorry, I missed that. What is the strike on the NEO? 15th of May 2026, $5 call long NEO. This was the trade. Frontiers. You sold BMNU. BMNU you sold at 36.10, or BMNR. Is it trading at the same price? Ah, okay. Don't trade this one. Okay, BMNU is not the product to trade. It might look making a lot of money when you are trading like this, but it's not good. Trade BMNR itself. Which company has this? This is 2X or no? Okay, this is BMNU. Okay, TRX 2X. All right. So if you are looking at approximately $10-12 drop on this BMNU here. So we are looking at there 5% pullback. Here we are looking at 10%. So you're looking at $1, like 710 area is good to buy. Circle we don't have covered, but we can sell a call if you want to. $100 call for 16th of February, $120. Rising with Bitcoin. Yep. Yeah, it's very much a Bitcoin. You know, it's a proxy. MSTR. So this is your Bitcoin proxy. That's why we are holding this shit, you know, at least because we don't have Bitcoin. So we are taking a risk in this one. It's a risky trade, obviously. It was not risky trade. It was converted into risky investment by the JP Morgan and this Jim Chanos and BlackRock. These people literally started targeting him. You know, when you he owns a lot of Bitcoin, and other institutions, they don't like it that he is so ahead in the game. That's where the problem is. BlackRock doesn't want, or the JP Morgan doesn't want strategy to own 1% of the supply or whatever, you know, what he's targeting. They don't want him 3% or whatever. They also want the piece of cake. That's where the problem is. And that's why they went all after Sailor. $92.2, and we were looking for 92.7. Bingo. If we climb today 92.7, boom, straight into 107,000. 92,400. That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking. I told you, once we claim 92, we'll fly like anything. 92,700. What do you see here? Wave 3. 1, 2, 3. It must cross 92,700, and then the real game begins once again. You see here, that's the momentum to push. 1, 2, and wave 3. Once we reclaim 92, 94, 98 will look like a piece of cake. Solana, 137.60. Okay, 137.60 Solana. The Bitcoin was at 91 when you went to 139, and now Bitcoin is 93 and you are just going to 1. Okay, Solana 138, very good. I won't be shorting Solana here. Momentum, very good. The ghost has already appeared. I'll go to the 1 hour time frame. Yep. Momentum candle going straight through the resistance. Resistance broken. Price is already through the resistance. Good. Excellent. Excellent. That's what we have been waiting. So where are we facing the resistance here now? Okay. So this is broken. This is broken, means bullish right here. Right here we broke the resistance and bullish. Where are we facing? This is where our support line, right here. And where is our, this is all-time high. All right. Previous week high exactly is our price target. So we are good from here going back. That's what I'm looking at, around 149. I have my sell order at around 148.93 something. I have like this area. That's where I'm looking to exit. What is the price you would short? Tesla? You want to know where I will short Tesla? Okay, let me give you where I will short Tesla. I will short at the mitigation of this fair value gap right here, 452. So if you look at this one, the fair value gap, I just calculated the 5-minute time frame symmetrical triangle breakout, and it comes right here, 452, right before the this fair value gap. You see that on the left, this one. This is where I will short. So what will happen? You see this big candle right here? Right here, people will short at equal high right here, 449. They all will be trapped at 449. They all will go in a bull trap. This is where the bull trap is. I will short right at the top of the bull trap, but I will definitely short because the volume is dropping. You see the volume drop, price up means volume will the price will drop. So even if you have a short position, you need to hold your position. The price will drop eventually. But I will take the short position anywhere from 552 plus all the way to 554 area. You see this box and this mitigation, along with, if you go to 5-minute, so you'll understand where my price is coming from. You see this symmetrical triangle right in this area. We had a breakout, momentum candle continue. I will short here. Let's look at where I will short. A lot of people will short it here, and they all will trap 44971. I will short here in this area. If you are looking for a confirmed trade, the confirmed trade is at previous day high, which is anything above 44977. BTC 92.8, that's what I was talking about. Once we have a 92.7, we fly. Here we go. and we fly. You see that it's flying. 92.7 and we fly. When do you think is a high probability will hit 473? Tesla has a lot of downside, so even if it's you can hold it with confidence. The upside is I think it's 474. 483. Last high was 474, so there is a $9 upside of that. 483 is the top on Tesla. All righty, 92.7. Here we go. BTC. This website is very slow. I don't know what's wrong with them. Just because it takes too long, sometimes I don't even tweet. Okay, 92.7, 600. We are good. What no one knows. What do you need? What do you want to know? Tesla. Why you don't know? What do you see here? What do you see here? Equal high, and you see the lower high, equal high right here. And you see the downtrend already started. So we know where it's going. It has only one way straight, like this. Like this. Right here. This is where it's going. We know that where it's going. It will take patience. 90 days from now, 120 days from now, I can't get you that price target today, right? So meanwhile, obviously it can break the resistance, come back, break the resistance, come back down. Right now, this is a spread candle. What do you understand from this? Do not trade this candle because the volume fill up going on upside, downside, and that's what is happening on a smaller time frame. So we know our shit, what is going on. Again, spinning. Wix 1750. Again, the market is like, just like this, when the sniper is sitting, gun is loaded and just waiting. And that's what's going on in the market. You see that dodgy candle, spinning bottom, sitting here to shoot up. SPY, price spin at the top. You see that price spin at the top after the trend run, spinning, holding. Everything is holding for tomorrow. Oracle bouncing around 220. Good sign for the earning tomorrow. Oracle is good. You can't hold this stock here. I told you it will bounce on earning. What do you see here? This thing. Okay, we are facing a small resistance right here. Once we break this, straight into 270. You're good. You're good. Just hold Oracle. Oracle is not going anywhere. 3 stock you need to pay attention. Adobe, Accenture, Oracle. These are slow moving stock. They don't move tomorrow. Okay, they move slow, but they move. These are elephant. These are not volatile stock. These are, the beta is less than 1. If you want the stock to move faster, trade MSTR, BMNR, SOXL, HIBL. But those are risky business because high beta will is not for everyone. 1239 Mara, nice bounce. Let's see if we can get some call on Mara to sell. 16 January will sell some cheapo call further up. Okay. It's only $9, but I can still sell it. $8. Let's sell these people a little bit of a dream. Okay. Mara selling call. Mara selling call for 16 January, $1.25, is it? Yep. Yes, Mara call selling for 16 January 25 for 9 cents. Let's take this. Free money. It's 9 cents, but it's still good. It's a coffee money. Why to leave on the table? All right. Don't leave anything on the table. So short 10 call, not 10. How many? Yeah, so I can do 100 here. Okay, 100 gives us 9 cents. 10,000 share multiplied by 0.09, $900. Delta is 5 on these call. I think it's like I'll sell 100 contract here. Order filled. 16 January 2025. 16 January 2026. $25 call on Mara. 9 cents. Collecting as much as possible. This will expire worthless. $900 non-100 contract is a free money. Start learning to sell this garbage. Like I just sold 100 contract on Mara. Okay, $25 call for 16th of January. Trading 9 cents. Delta is 5 cents. This is pure garbage. Sell it. Okay, so Excel $50 call just turned into profit. What do you have? Should I sell this? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? Coin 275. Coin. Why you sell 275? What's your average? Okay, let me look at what are you trying to do. Is it covered or what are you trying to achieve here? Okay, you long. Okay, yeah, book profit. Yes, 100%. Obviously, on the bounce, when the Bitcoin bounce, you exit with profit, 100%. Okay, my friend, lot of trade here. ASST, you have 2000 at 97. Okay, I'll work on his account side by side. So just bear with me if you hear something non-related. 99, what you have here? ASST, your last price. Your average price 175. Why the hell your average price is 175? 16 January. $2. There is nothing. $1.15. We don't want this. 23rd January 150. There is no premium on ASST. The beta. What is beta stock? I don't know. Beta 2. Oh, which one is that? Beta technology something? Okay, options. Your break even is 35, 110. Okay, we can do that. 35 call for 16 January. Beta. Start focusing on collecting money. Okay, you have $743 call sold on BMNR, which is your covered call. That's good, and your stock is recovering. Then you have 36 call. purchased on BMNR January 23. BMNR call close for profit $587. Take this right now. When you have a 0 DTE like 23rd January, we are already sitting at 9th of December, the theta will keep increasing and you keep eating your premium. And if you're sitting at $587 profit, you must take that. Your bull position is entirely in profit. So that's a good sign. 990 to 975. What we are looking to do here is 545. We have 25 call. We have 30 call. Okay, sell the bull share and free the capital. This is not for everyone. I'm working on someone account. Sell bull share, free cash. 545 share. Okay. Costco, February 20th, 970. You purchased 10 call. Why you have a long call? And that too on Costco is the premium is so high. You're already losing 50%. I don't know why you opened this trade. I don't have this trade at all. Okay, so 970 February. Now we have to control this trade. Okay. Costco. Don't increase work for me, man. Don't increase. 20th of February. 970 call, sell for 950. How much you paid? 970 you paid about solar. So 970 solar, 986. Oh boy, 970, 980. Okay, hold Costco. I'll deal with it in a day or two. Circle 600 share, hold Circle 135 put, sell Circle 148.89. Core view you have, hold it. DKNG 10 contract, DKNG $30 call. January 16, we must control this DKNG right now. DKNG, you have 16. Don't buy, your expiry is too close. You have DKNG 10 long call for 16 January $30. 16 January $30. You are sitting at a loss. Sell 35 here. DKNG sell. Okay, number 4. Collect dollar. How much are you collecting here? 236 to $2,360. Okay, so Gemini, HIMS, everything is good. Leoto, good. Mara 19, the put. Okay, this is good. Meta risk reversal. 600, 520 risk reversal. Meta 650, 700 call. 700 call. Why are not booking $3,100 profit? Meta dollar book profit. Dollar, how much is the profit here? 3140. Yeah, close this call. Some of you are hesitant to share your account screenshot, and I'm telling you, when you show it to me, I can literally bring more money to your account. MSTR, a lot of trade on MSTR. There's a NEO $5 put. Why you have $5 put on NEO? Okay. You opened at your end, $50 call. 5, okay. I'll deal with this. Oscar 20. I'll deal with it. Palantir, CFI. Palantir, CP, SMCI 33 got 10, 40 got negative 10, 33 got 10, 40 here, okay, 33, 10. Okay, 40 got one put, 40 got one put, 50 got 10 puts short. 40 got call short, 30 spread here. Why we don't have $60 call on SMCI for January SMCI. I'm working on someone account. Those who are listening, so just ignore this conversation for 5 minutes. Okay, so 16 January SMCI. If you are short on 50 put. Okay, welcome to this one. SUIG. Who is that? SUIG. Sui crypto. Okay, XRBP. Rest everything is good. Okay, just 5 trade. Rest all good. Okay, here Mayo. Yes, Mayo. Same thing will happen to DVLT. Very similar to Mayo. Okay, you see that? Mayo. This drawing is already there. The cup. It has to go where it's supposed to go. 110 price target hit. Price target hit on Mayo right here. You see that? That's it. It's that simple. There is the next one. RZLV, Resolve and DVLT. We traded them. We made money. And there is more to make on this. Okay, let me see if I'm closing something. BMNR 38. Here we go. And we have a TMA cross. That's it. That's what we were waiting. Previous week high broken. Buy the momentum candle, low volume. Previous week high, momentum candle broken. Bingo. Bullish. We are waiting for 46 area. Let me log into my Scotia Bank. Come on. I need to see. I have a BMNR call sold already. Now these call will be in loss. So I need to see if I need to adjust anything. Most likely they will expire worthless because it's for 19th of December. We only have like 10 days. 10 days, I don't think it will surpass 43. 878904. Okay, let's go share bank here. All right. In last 1 hour, 130 million worth of shorts liquidated in Bitcoin. Yes, that's how they do it. Look, let's look at what's coming. So 92.7 claimed, and look, $700 right away from 92.7 to 93.50. That's what I was telling you. Once we reclaim 92.7, will fly. Now the first target is 94, then 98, then 102, 107. So 94, 98, 102. Once we reclaim 100, 116 is the top. Before the short will even try to take over. Nice bounce. Momentum candle. Very nice. Solana 140.83, and that's wave 3. Shall I take a short position on Solana? Really trading against the entire market? I wouldn't do that. I have a long position which is coming close to profit now. Okay, let me look at my one of the account. Okay, so 25. Bloody hell, bank is. Okay, bingo. Wow, BMNR call is still in profit, 9%, and the stock is recovering like hell. My BMNR break even is 38. 41. And I'm just 20 cents away from BMNR break even. I love it. 20 cents and I reached the break even. Yeah, boy. That's why I was adding. You know how many shares I have total? 42,000 all across other account. Some I have break even at 51, but the biggest position, which is around 30,000 share at 38.40. So this account is reaching at break even now. I knew it. Just 2.93%. Give me one long wick here and my entire position goes in profit. And the covered call we close 100 times and still the existing for 19 December is still holding in profit. Bingo. Interesting game. Come on. And the best part, I have a 50% call sold for 19 December and 50% sold for 26 December. So 26 December most likely will take the share away, half, 50% of the position. And 19 December, I will get 50% premium free and the share will be staying with me. Here you go. I'm at break even on BMNR. Here we go. Alert everyone, BMNR. I'm at break even now. $38.41. That's it. Game over. 141.48 on this account on 30,000 share. The one position, BMNR itself, the another position I have 5,000 share, which is at 51. I did not average out. I missed it. That's still in loss, but this 30,000 share just went to break even. Not break even. I mean, I'm already in profit. I traded the covered call multiple times, but even the holding went break even. Well done, BMNR. But the problem, on this candle, who will tell me that there is a problem in this candle? Who will tell me there is a problem in these three candles? Tell me, someone who knows. What's the problem? I'll put the question here. What's the problem in last three candle pump? Okay, who will tell me what's the problem right now on the screen? What's the problem here? You see the problem? This will not hold. This momentum will not hold. This is Marubazu up. So the price will pull back once again. Solana. Yeah, we have the ultra high volume. End of the trend. Pullback is happening. Never mind. Yes. Yep. You're right. That's what the problem here. Marubazu. And Marubazu cannot hold. This candle will not hold 100%. The next candle will be falling short. PNC Bank direct Bitcoin trading for large private client. It's all right. It happens. Eventually, all bank will vanish. All bank will vanish if they don't adopt crypto. This is a black hole which will eat up everything in this world. People don't know yet. People are panic. Oh, Bitcoin and it goes down. Yes, it's volatile, sure. But eventually it's a black hole. It will eat up the entire financial system. You have no idea. The 3 trillion market cap of a Bitcoin means it has taken 3 trillion out of this world and gone into Bitcoin. And that's a black hole. It's never coming back. And once the world reached to a level where the Bitcoin, you hold Bitcoin, you spend in Bitcoin, you borrow against the Bitcoin, you trade against the Bitcoin, the currency is gone. The dollar will vanish. This shit will eat up everything, not just currency, everything. Real estate, this, that, everything will go in it. It's only thing, still we are too early. Even if the Bitcoin has gone to 100,000, it's still too early. It will eat up your mutual bond market. It will eat up your saving accounts. It will eat up your systematic investment plan, SIP and all this, retirement accounts. Everything will go into Bitcoin. Good to short SPY here. We already have a short position. What do you mean by good to short here? We're already holding our short position. 655 right here. Okay, what do you see? Fair value gap mitigation completed. Candle falling short. One more candle here and bounce is coming. The price will go back up on Meta. So Meta, second leg, all must close. 1257, good. Circle, wow, nice bounce. 88. Coin, that's what I like. Every time I tell you, every time it's sell off, you should be ready on this. 38.14, selling off, can't hold this. 994, 996, bull, $10. That's what I was telling you. Right at 996, it will sell off. And I just told you, it will exactly sell off at 996, like right before $10 gamma flip wall and rejection 996. You see that? That's it. Now we'll pull back and then we break 10 and goes to 1250. So from here, we have a small pullback, break 10, goes to 1250 now. So next price target on bull is 1250. See here, you never got any exit on short on Tesla. That's why I tell you, don't short too early. The ghost is still sitting here. Now you have a sign of weakness. Okay, this is where you can look for a, like 444 was early. Now you can consider a short position, quick scalp for $1 or $2 right here. Where is our VWAP? VWAP is here. This one, yeah, this is VWAP. So you can look for about $4 drop here. Yes. This is covered plus naked call. 9-cent call is nothing. $25 call on 16 January. That's the least of your worry. Bitcoin will go to 150,000. Still, Mara will be at 16. Okay. 16 January 25 call short. I have shorted like extra. I sold the covered, but I sold some extra as well. HIMS. I'll collect something on HIMS as well. So HIMS, I will collect a call. Which call I was trading on 20th of February? 20th of February, $60. Or 23rd January, 60. There is no call above 50. 16 January. Do I have something here? I'll be happy with this. I can take. I'll take this one off this. Okay, I will sell one for 45 cents here. Okay, Per contract 45 cents HIMS on 16 January $60. Let's sell this. Okay, something is better than nothing. Yes, and trust me, you are trading with Robinhood. I can guarantee you. You're trading with Robinhood. That's what you are trying to short the call. Adil, you are trading with Robinhood. Yes, I knew it. Looking at the screen, I knew it. I have a photo for you. Wait. I have something for you. If you are trading with Robinhood, I'll show you. Right here. You want to see what? If you're trading with Robinhood, if you're trading with Robinhood, think like this. So if you're trading with Robinhood, think about it. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. I love it. I love explaining if you're trading with Robinhood. This is you if you're trading with Robinhood. Okay. Above the clouds, on the mountain, on the cliff, with the blindfolded standing here. And just imagine I'm sitting here, like I'm standing behind you to push. Okay. I'm here. And I'm ready to push you. If you trade with Robinhood. Okay, so jump off the cliff. That's it. Nothing else. This is you. La, 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 la. Who trade with Robinhood? It's for kids with $200, $300 in the account. A small account. When you start, you want to save the fees, free transaction and all this. It's a total bogus and garbage platform because it doesn't allow you to short sell. Without short selling, you can't make money. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Let BTC hit 116K first. No covered call. Change your account from Robinhood to Interactive Broker. You still have time. 2026, you will regret your decision. I'm telling you in advance. Switch to IBKR and use referral link from one of group member and get $1,000 credit. Okay, 2026 will not be easy without short selling. And Robinhood doesn't allow you short selling because they themselves are the short seller. They only want you to liquidate because they are a company which is working on PFOF model. Robinhood is the modern registered Barney Madoff. Understand this. It's a total scam company, but it's registered. It has become legalized. That's it. What Barney Madoff was doing, he was buying the share on behalf of the client, collecting money from the client, telling them that, yes, I have the share for you. Same thing as Robinhood is doing. Pay for forward order. So they are collecting the money from your account, giving it to ICE and creating share on your account, but practically those share doesn't exist. It's a modern Barney Madoff, Robinhood. It's a total scam company, but because they are registered, regulated, so no one care about anymore. When you become $1 billion company and become like public company and all this, so people don't know what's going on. Robinhood is the last platform in this world that you should have an account. Every time there is a short squeeze, the first thing will be the Robinhood account going down, means the website goes down. Why? Because first they want ICE to close their short position before the people start exiting their position. Yeah, that's the problem. Close Robinhood. Get the hell out of Robinhood. Don't even log into this website. MSTR 430 call. What do you mean by what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Done. In profit. Yes. Close your Robinhood account. That's it. There's nothing with Robinhood. Okay, very good. A little bit of sell-off we are getting here. Okay, let's look at the Bitcoin. As I was expecting, it will not hold. Next candle right here, it will not hold. So 141.72, I'm going small short position on Solana. Oh, but if I open the short position, every account will have a short position. And that's a problem because I'm opening a short position against my long position. Oh, man. What do I do now? Because if I open the short position on this, everyone account will repeat the same thing on copy trade. Shit. That's a situation now. Because I asked you individually close your long position, but I'm holding mine. And if I open the short position, all account will repeat that. Okay, let's see what I'll be doing. If my position comes, long position comes into profit, I'm $3 away, then I will exit my trade as well. So push $3 more right here. That's where I'm looking at 147 area. Because I really want to short it here. Quick scalp. This is the ultra high volume right here. We have a momentum indirect independent candle. Okay, we are breaking out so far. I'm happy with that. Well, you are not in the right place, I guess. No judgment, but highly doubt you are going to take any trade. Yeah, don't trade that. This Robinhood is just this garbage, total garbage. Don't trade with Robinhood. Robinhood is good, like, especially college student, retail investor. Let's say you are working in McDonald's, you have $50, $100 to invest every week. You are starting up when you are just just entering the market for the first time. Oh, I want to try. I don't want to pay the fees because my account is small, like $250 every week I'm contributing from my paycheck, right? That's when Robinhood fit your requirement. But if you're a professional trader who want to get rich, make money, Robinhood is the last platform. Robinhood is for kids. Someone just pass out from college, first salary, working like starting up the career. It's nothing wrong working at McDonald's, but I mean to say that you're starting up your career, you are working in minimum wage, you're contributing $150 per week from your paycheck. That's when Robinhood fits your profile. Otherwise, it's not. No one should trade with Robinhood, not just you. It's a garbage platform. Okay, 93,666, 93.7. See, 92.7. As soon as we broke the resistance at 92.7, you saw that. Look at this one. We came to this price multiple times. You see here 91.4. We came here again 92.200. As soon as we broke the 92.7, right away $1,000 upside. Now trading at 93.700. That's why it's important. When you flip the resistance into support, the price bounce. 143.26. I'm happy with that one. Give me another $2 and I will close my long. Bingo. Very good. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Pushing again, independent candle. I love it. I love this rally. I love this rally right now. Break it. Give me the, and the momentum will continue. Why it will continue? Look here. What's going on? The volume is low. Low volume break. Every candle is a low volume breakout. This was the only ultra high volume candle we had on a 5 minute. Okay. So that's why it's breaking out. It's going vertical. If you look at 1 hour time frame, you'll be surprised how the candle is formed. Look at this one, vertical, 90 degree. 133.26. $93. We are going $94. The short got like killed, literally killed today. Yesterday, I was watching this YouTube channel. Someone was live streaming on an Indian guy, YouTube live trading BTC. And I can guarantee you that his account got liquidated today. Not this one. This one. Okay. Yeah. थोड़ा सा wait. BTC. I know this guy. I can guarantee you that he got liquidated. Okay, who's that? Bitcoin Live. A lot of people are trading. Who's this guy? Okay, what is he? Market strong. All right, right here. A lot of people will be VAR. What is VAR? Is it a stock or what is that? This one? War? Energy? You mean this? Is this the same thing we are looking at? I wouldn't trade this. 50-50 chance either side breakout. The sell-off, internal, another sell-off right in this area, which is 28, or pull back again into 34. So not the right area. It's an ignore area here. You can't trade this area. Can you give me new call? Which call do I give you? What do you have? $190 put. You have $210 call here. Okay, sell the call for 360. 18 June. Sell call for $364. 18 June. That's it. Wix is back. Prices, everything is back. 142.83. This shit has a lot of upside. I'm telling you, this 203 will look like a child play. This is where it's going. And this next entire year, I'll be trading Solana. I've told you. This is going to be fun trading Solana this year. Okay. Bitminer at break even. Webull coming back. All the calls, covered call is now at loss. We will hold them. They will keep expiring one by one. Makes sense. That is a lot of money to collect. Okay, I'll be happy with this if all the call expire worthless. There's nothing more I would. Oh, I have. Give me 1 second. I need to go to my RBC account. I need to sell some call here. Okay. This candle will not hold, I'm telling you. So be careful. Make sure every stock you have related to Bitcoin, you sell the covered call. This trend will not hold. Sell the call. Every stock. Bull, BMNR, Coin, Circle, Mara, Hive, anything. Sell the call. Okay. And oh, our favorite guy. Someone just told me that he's not comfortable selling the call on Hive. We just went in profit. You see that? If you don't sell double put, you don't sell it. Hive, double put, close for profit. We just sold the trade this morning. We already went into profit. Hive chart, repeat the trade, 305, close for profit, Hive trade. Okay, Hive exit. Coin, sell the cover call. BMNR. BMNR, Bull, Coin, Circle, Hive, Meta, Mara, not Meta, Mara. Right, sell the call as fast as you can. Don't tell me you couldn't do it. Okay. Come on. Log in. I need to see what's going on. Come on. 143. Okay. Pullback is coming right here. Right here, the pullback is coming. Okay, right here. Come on, open. What do we have here on this account? Come on. Okay, so I have on this account, my average is a little high. It's still 51, 55. I've missed the average out here. Okay, so we'll hold this. This is also covered. We'll close. Yes, sell call you mean. Yes, I mean sell call. Coin plus Mara plus Hive plus Circle plus BMNR plus RIOT Mara plus Bull last measures on the Discord, pay attention. Okay, Mara call, just turning into profit now. Okay, what we are looking to do here on the Solana 142.96. I'm taking a small short position here. 143. This candle will not hold, I know that. Okay, Solana 94. Where is the Bitcoin trading now? 94? Did we claim 94? Yep, 94. Okay, very good. Why did Solana did not claim higher? 143.55. Wave 3, okay, pushing higher. Very good. Okay, fair value gap left. If this candle take down this candle, then we'll go even again higher. I'll switch to 2 minute now. Let me see what's going on here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal high retest and fail. It will fail here. So limit price 143.65. Leverage 15. Okay, so let it push a little bit here. 135 open short 20x. Number $7, 135.65. Pullback is coming here. 94 claimed on Bitcoin. So the first price target hit 94. Next price target 98, but it will pull back here, not without the pullback. So look for 92,000 pullback, then 98. What do you want, David? I don't have time right now. This is the resistance, okay? I mean support line right here. Right here. That's the maximum we can pull back. 92,400 will not pull back under this price. That's it. 143.65 Solana. I'm opening a short position. Let's see if my order fills. It's trading at 143.21. There is no momentum candle, so there is a still it can push. We need this candle for the price to pull back. Like there is no buying climax. Okay, 143 I have to short. Come on, man. Come on, don't do that. Push, come on. I knew it. This shit is retesting here. You see that? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me one push. Give me one more push. 9 EMA and bounce. Do the 9 EMA bounce. Do the bounce. Do the bounce. Do the bounce. Do it. 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 Hammer. Do it. Do it. Piece of shit. Do it. Okay. Good. 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 Push. 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 Okay, push, push, another 8 cent. My order will fill. Okay, here we have this trend line. So this trend line. Okay, here we go. 23. Okay, short filled. Good. Now we are cool. Now we are cool. Now we are cool. Okay. 143.65. As long as it's holding this trend line, we'll continue making high. Where the Solana will pull back? Right here. Whoa. Wow. See 134, 143.65. That's what I was looking at. We got it. I entered few cent early. It doesn't matter. It's a small position. Let me see what's going on a 1 hour time frame and 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. We are week high. The market will definitely sell off from here. It's only a matter of time. They're pushing it. Okay, where is our? Okay, momentum candle on the 1 hour time frame here. Okay, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, what's the next short target on Tesla? I short put yesterday, wondering what price is to close the profit. You shorted the put, then book the profit. Simple. Book the profit here if you shorted the put yesterday. Are you selling the share on the BMNR or the covered call? I'm selling call. I'm not selling my share. BMNR, I'm not selling until February, until Bitcoin hit 150,000. Selling covered. BMNR, I have a big position. I'm really looking good profit on this. I'm not looking to get rid of some stocks like Amazon, BMNR, Coin. Okay, then I have Bull. Then I have Circle, HIMS, SMCI, Mara. I'm not looking to close these positions. I want this trade to continue for 6 months, 1 year, even 2 year, 3 year. I don't care. Okay, every time it goes up, I sell the call, then it pull back, I get the call premium, I hold my position as it is. Okay, so I'm not in hurry to close the trade. Yep, yeah, continue holding. Why you want to exit? Just keep selling against your assets. This is the real trading. You hold the share. The problem is when people, let's say someone buy 1,000 share of Amazon, they want to close the trade to make the profit. No, when the price goes up, you hold your share. You sell the call, price comes back, you hold your share still. You take the 10 contract premium, which is 7,000, 8,000, and that's it. Why you need more money? I mean, why you need to close the trade to make money? Let the trade continue. I'm holding SOXL since October, not this October, October 24, and I'm still holding. And every week, bi-weekly, I keep closing something on that one. I just closed yesterday about $700. Still in the trade. So after one and a half year, I think now I'll be exiting the trade on 16 January. So from starting from 20th of October 2024, I will exit the trade in 16 January 2026. And I have made enough money on this one. Those who have been with me on SOXL, they know that how much money we made on this. We traded like hell. There was a time when whole day we were trading XOSL. Then whole day we were trading SMCI, HIMS. Back to back, back to back, back to back. That's it. $144.17. Okay, all right. Where is it? Oh, okay. Okay, where is this coming from? Solana. Okay, this is where it's coming from. See the previous week high. So right here. Okay, we are doing good. We have a small position, but we are looking for the long position to trade into profit. We are still good. Okay, another thing, if you look at this candle, let me bring you a chart on here, where it's coming from. So 131, what time frame chart I'm looking at, so I can show you. Oh, we are on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so 1 hour time frame on Solana. Where is this candle coming from? You know that? Go back, look at this one. So look at this one. This is where it's coming from, this leg. Okay, right here. If I zoom in for you, look at this one. So price sell-off, bounce, wave 3. Marubazu, completed. Sideline, no price action last weekend. Bounce off, retrace, Marubazu. Exactly right here if you look at. So sell-off, bounce, sideline, bounce. So this one, if you look at measure from here, so starting from this candle all the way to this candle right here. So this candle was 126 to 140, which was about $14. Let's take this and you will see what's going on here. Precisely, you will figure out. So this is what's going on right here, 146.53. What is 146.53? Is the previous week high. That's it. Got it. Why the price is running here? It's running for this and is running from here, this one. Eventually what will happen? Bounce off. Let me give you the idea. So right from here, you take this bar pattern, right from this candle all the way to this candle, and you paste it here. to happen? You know what's going to happen after 160, 152, 160 area. After that, rest in peace. The crypto will lose its momentum. And this will put the Bitcoin into, let's figure out. This is what we are looking at. You see the wave 5? Right from here, this is where it's coming from. Right from this spread candle. Let's look at. That's why I'm telling you this momentum will not hold. Right from here. So you see that? Once the Bitcoin goes to 97, 98, our first price target, from 98 will pull back to 91, 92 area. This 6,000 drop will happen. This from 98. So we are not yet in a trend. Okay, right here, equal low. What do you see here? You see here something which we know all in the group. You see that? And you see that here. Opposite and here. So next bottom will be around 92 after this. After 98, 92 will be the next bottom. And then from 98, we go 100 plus. Since you advised to buy the MRI, the current price in today's morning meeting, I bought the 1180. It's already up by $1. Then book the profit and run away. That's it. Book the profit. Why do you care? You have 10% in 2 hours. And I think you are new in the group too, right? I remember Nick. You are not the king Nick, right? So you joined the group on 28th of November. Okay. Yep. So book the profit. You will learn slowly with us. And exit. Book the profit on Mara if someone bought it in the morning, like pre-market briefing. Right here. So if you bought the Mara at 11 in this area, pre-market area 11, what price you bought it? 1180. Now trading at 1270. Take the profit. Take the profit and be ready to buy around 1210 again, right in this area. That's how you keep your capital ready with the profit. So next time you can buy more from the profit. If you don't exit, then only God knows what will you do. Right? I told you this momentum will not hold. You see that right here? Solana, you see that? This wick here. This is a troublemaking wick. This wick, you see. This is the trouble area. Liquidity swap. When the profit comes, take it. Learn to take profit. Ultra high volume, big wick on the top, and my algo on the top is a red flag. Who the hell is this? Okay, I opened it just now. Okay, 143.85, selling off. Coin will make a lot of money, my friend. Coin, don't underestimate the winning horse. Okay, never underbet the winning horse. Coin will make a lot of money. People don't know how to trade this. Okay, let's go coin. What's going on? Where do you see the lackluster? It's a nice from 267 to 284, $17 jump. That's almost about 5 to 6% holding. There's a little bit pullback going on right now here. We'll have another pullback around 274 area. So we'll lose about $8 gain here. And we're looking at 1 hour time frame. So think about when I open the short position on Solana. Just think about it. Just think about it. Why did I open the short position here? Because I know it will pull back. It cannot hold. The day you understand which trend will sustain, which will not sustain, slowly, just keep paying attention and you will start learning all this shit. Okay. So what's going on with the VIX? VIX. Where is VIX? VIX in my chart. Come on, VIX. You see 7.39. Okay, dropping. Bingo. Support broken. Okay. Opening of this candle. Okay, right here. This candle, the green candle closing, which was 1744, and closing of the red candle, which was 17.44. So 45. So look at this one. This candle, you see the closing 1744. Red candle, you see the closing 1745. Why this candle closed here? This candle closed here. That's where the volume SR interchange. Okay. Volume SR interchange is found right within the 1 cent. We broke this, we are downside. And WIX has the ghost recovery. Okay, perfect. That's $20 call for 338. I will go 335 for 335. No, that will only give me 15. Wix, 5 minute time frame. Yeah, we're bouncing now, so we're good here. Sunny, I have dropped the other. That's not for that. Why you need any other Discord? What is bookmap? Okay, bookmap, I know the heat view optional is. I would say all your subscription, you don't need any subscription. Once you're in our group, there is enough information being provided. And when it comes to other Discord, they don't stand a chance. There's $100,000 reward if any Discord member, any hedge fund manager, any investment manager, anyone, if he can compete with me. Use $100,000 on the table. Anyone who thinks he's a trader, come be my guest, and I'll show you what trading looks like. You have not done go and watch our previous training video. You'll have more clarity. And once I do the next training on, most likely this Friday I'm doing for the VSA, then you'll understand the game, the real game of trading. Anyone in the trading industry telling you use the stop loss, right here, you open the trade, you put the stop loss here. He doesn't know trading. He's just playing gamble. It goes up, he's happy. It goes down, he's happy because stop loss. Okay, we have a stop loss and he's got exit. Anyone who uses stop loss in the trading industry doesn't know trading. Why do you use stop loss if you know the information? I don't use. You never see me saying use stop loss here. Why do you need a stop loss when you know your shit? It means if someone is saying, oh, use the stop loss at this candle, it means you don't know where the hell the price will go. Okay, I'll cancel this order. It's not filling up, so I'm good to hold this. What I'm seeing on SMCI 685 gamma flip wall spread candle. Next 4 hour, we are looking at 1 hour time frame. So what do you see here? Change of character, bounce up 1, 2, 3. Will be looking this price point 685.78. That's the area that will be closing the day. 685.78. So 50 cent plus minus from this area. That's it. Market will become sideline from here. Amazon right here since morning, $3 bounce. Tesla 449. That's why I did not short today, because I knew it. This fair value gap plotted on the chart. That's why I'm not short on Tesla. BMNR 40. Here comes $40. Who? Okay, who was thinking at this? Literally, I know some of username. I know them. Okay, don't lie. Who was thinking right here when it was trading at $24 that, oh my God, why did I invest it in BMNR? It's a garbage. It's a shit. It's a bad company. What do I do now? At 24, now trading at $40, which is more than 50% return since 21st November. This is more than 50%. See, almost 50%. Yeah, more than 50% actually. Yeah, 60% return in literally 18 days. This is how high beta stock works. This is high beta. Once you learn to trade high beta, you make a lot of money. 18 days, 60% return on a BMNR. Yes, it's always recorded. Right here, Rivian 1766. Rivian is ready for the next leg down. That's what we have been waiting for. So this bounce which I was looking at already done. Like this thing is already done. This thing, okay. So now next leg down. Why with next leg down? Let's look at. You see something here? Wave a B internal order block mitigation done. Right here, you see that this candle, it just touched the fair value gap right here on the sell side. You see here, right here, this one. Yeah. So wave C down on hourly time frame. We are heading into bottom next. Right here, 1527. 15 plus minus will be the next entry on Rivian. And here comes the baby, goes to $10. Okay, we'll stop the stream. We'll continue trading, continue monitoring. Okay. I need to eat breakfast and coffee. Okay. Shit. All right. Stay tuned on the Discord. Thanks. Bye. If you have any question, join on the Discord. Okay. Market up, wicks work. Yes, it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous stuff. When the market is up and wicks is up, it's very dangerous. That means the wicks will continue up and the market will tank hard. Means more volatile. When both goes up, what happens? We enter the kangaroo market. Kangaroo market means the bigger swing every single day. The wicks, let's say wicks goes to 21 area, 22 area, and the SMCI doesn't sell off. Then you will see this buy and sell every single day. 3% up, 3% down, 3% up, 3% down. That's the like wild swing every day. That's why they should always trade opposite. If they trade in one direction, the market will start swinging like hell. Like, you know, the heavy wind and the swing is going left, right, like that. Okay. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see all our member online in the Discord now. Thanks. Bye.